This review is of Taylor Farms Ginger Soy Meal Kit with veggies, noodles, and sauce. And it claims 7 minutes to cook. I don't believe it, based on my experience with 3 other products from them. 4 other actually. It takes a lot longer than that to cook it thoroughly. Okay, so here are the nutrition facts and and ingredients. And I will be following these instructions fairly closely in order to cook this. Hold on. Okay, so I had to do a few things to make sure this cooked right without burning. First of all, I had to add some water to the pan because cooking it on medium-high heat was too slow, and so I put it a little bit higher than medium-high heat, perhaps low-high heat. I had to add a little bit of water and cover it as well, and even then you can see this piece of cabbage didn't get cooked. I also thought that when I tasted the sauce was nice. It was, ginger and soy, which I've made myself, which you just buy a thing of liquefied ginger over at Aldi, but you can make it just as well. So I tasted the sauce and it tasted fine. The problem was it wasn't strong enough. So when I added it to this, it ended up becoming so weak that it wasn't worth it. So I added more soy and ginger and even some garlic. Because I don't know, otherwise they use almost the same vegetables in every single one of these dishes. The sauces, they don't give you enough, and then they don't make them strong enough. And the recipe says 5, 6, 7 minutes. It's a lie. You're not going to get any of it done unless you want to basically eat raw vegetables. I was cooking in a wok using a little bit more than a tablespoon of oil, and it just doesn't work. So, unfortunately, I'm not going to be trying any more Taylor Farms products. I've been disappointed by them 5 out of 5 times. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you have a great day.